Introducing the Ivation Dehumidifier. It's ENERGY STAR certified and super simple to set up. To get started, open the front panel, remove the wheels and drainage hose. Lie the dehumidifier on its side. The wheels click right in, and the embedded handles make moving this dehumidifier a breeze, even when it's full. Included is a 6-foot cable, so you can use it anywhere. Our intuitive smart display features an easy-to-read LCD and displays air moisture levels as well as your room temperature. It has 2 fan modes and an easy-to-use interface. Full humidity control, a water level window. The bucket includes an easy carry handle, and the filter is removable so you can wash it. It includes an optional hose hookup. Just run the hose through the drain lock and screw it onto the drain firmly. Breathe better air with the Ivation Auto Defrost and Auto Restart Dehumidifier. Get yours today.
Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich Dehumidifier. Convenient and easy to use, Friedrich's dehumidifiers feature precise humidity control and continuous drainage operation. Our models can treat areas up to 2,500 square feet, extract 25, 50, or 70 pints of moisture every 24 hours, and can be set to humidity levels ranging from 30 to 90%. The sleek, modern design will not detract from your decor. With a built-in drain pump, you no longer have to continuously check the bucket to see if it's full. The pump will remove water up to 15 feet in any direction, allowing it to drain to a sink or out a window. These efficient ENERGY STAR qualified models also provide a removable condensate bucket with a carry handle that holds up to 16 pints of water. With a washable slide-out filter, low ambient operation, automatic defrost cycle, and a 24-hour timer, these powerful dehumidifiers are ideal for living areas, storage areas, basements, and equipment rooms, anywhere moisture is a concern, because they provide reliable, convenient operation. Another great feature is the easy roll casters that allow you to move the unit from room to room with ease. When not in use, the unit can easily be stored in most closets. Investing in a Friedrich dehumidifier can help you protect your home and your health. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and US-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich.